Hi guys, Paul from PABrewNews. Listening to some Hunter's Moon Doom Metal. We got Blizzard of Hops here, handcrafted by Tröegs Brewing Company, the Tröegs brothers from Hershey, Pennsylvania. 6.4 alcohol by volume. This is their winter IPA. There you go. There you go. Pop it open. Oh, smoke. Smoke, smoke, smoke. Really light golden body already. Hop haze, of course. Yep, light golden body, frothy white head. Right there. I don't know, sometimes I don't really like these, the bodies on these so much. What a surprise. But let's check it out. 6.4%, that's pretty good ABV. Oh, real smooth, sweet. Slight floral note, little perfumey, but very touch of that. Very soft, little earthiness, soft earthiness. You get this nice, sweet citrus note coming up. It's a little orange, a little grapefruit. I'm getting like a soft lemon, but it's not really sharp and tart and anything. It's just soft. I think the best is a very, very generic term, but rounded, a well-rounded citrus note. I mean, it's kind of got a little bit of everything in there. Yeah, a little bit of something like I smell a little bit of starfruit almost in there too. A little bit of a candied caramel, like a sweet caramel, but not that, how do I say, confectionery, like something you make candy out of, like a hard rock candy, confectionery sugar. But there's no toasted note, that slight burnt note to get caramel, if you know what I mean. It is sweet. There's a little sweetness in there. So hopefully that's, I don't know if that's just coming from that juicy aroma. Let's get into it. Oh, we got 8 minutes. Cheers. Session IPA. That's the body on this one, and that's what I wasn't looking forward to. It's supposed to be a winter seasonal blizzard of hops. I mean, yeah, whatever. Not even gonna bitch, because they go by trends, and trends are for fucking hipster assholes. So, I'm not even gonna bitch. I'm not gonna bitch. Fuck it. It's a sessional IPA, but it has no sessionability at all at 6.4%. That's not what they classify anyway, sessionability. So, yeah, 6.4% is fine. Yeah, absolutely. I love it. But, you know, you want to hit more of the 3 to 4 range. But, holy crap, Dark Horizon is down. Just a box. It's really, really light, watery mouthfeel. They did that to showcase the hops. I understand that. Really earthy, slight resiny. Slight, playful, sweet kind of malt. Like that soft sugars in there. The body is very light, but there is playful malt in there. There's that soft sweetness that's actually shining through. This is strange. This is hitting me in a weird way. This is hitting me in like Citra. How Citra like is pretty faint if it ages at all. This is pretty good. This is like 2 weeks old. Yeah, I think this is like, what is it? 10/31, yeah, this is 2 weeks old. I'm just not getting anything from it. There's this nice soft, playful citrus note. Sure. Soft, playful citrus, a little bit of earthiness, soft bit of astringency in there, just a very soft astringency. Just mixing with a nice sweet malt base. It's mixing. It's not an overblown malt base. It's faint, but it's there enough that you can detect it, and it's mixing with that astringency. It's totally killing the astringency. This is a sessionable tasting IPA. The taste factor versus the bitterness and the astringency, this is nailed it. But for the sessionability of the session IPA bodies and stuff like that, it's 6.4. That's amazing. Amazingly high to some people. Wow, nice perfumed burp. I like that. Yeah, overall it's good. If you it's almost to the pale ale side. Yeah. I mean, there's not a lot going on. It's really I never got an extreme bitterness in my mouth at all from this beer. It's really just easy drinking. There's a lot of just soft, playful notes that you'll pick up. It's maybe if you like that. I mean, it's fun. It's playful. It's great. I like doing that. I like picking out soft, subtle things. That's what you get when you love beer. You like doing that. It's not a big fist in the face. And if you say blizzard of hops, you expect a fist in the face. It's still a session IPA, that kind of body and overall. High ABV, granted, but still that body. It's well done. I'm not going to lie. It's well done. But it's missing some of the IPA notes, and it's missing some of the session IPA notes. If you know what I mean, it's stuck in between. It's got an identity complex, unfortunately. Good beer though. I'm at 8.5. It's a good beer. It really is. And it's not giving me an allergy attack, and that's fucking awesome. Because fuck Bouncy House IPA. And fuck Stochasticity Grapefruit Slam. Fuck them. Yeah, it is good. It's smooth, it's playful, it's refreshing, it's good. There's a lot of nice notes in there you're picking up. The astringency, bitterness level, mixed with the caramel, it's just killed that astringency. It is sessionable. It's not abrasive on your palate. This has been Paul from PABrewNews 8.5 for the Blizzard of Hot.